Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tasha on Demand. I'm going to have me some water. I am ending my day, so it's like 9 o'clock. So I apologize if I mispronounce something. I maybe stutter a little bit. I'll try to edit. If not, you're going to get the raw version of me talking. So the curls are back. So I was in a crochet and um, just didn't want to deal with my hair for the last 2 months. I went two crochet back to back on my hair. So the first one, I think I stayed in it for I think a month and a half, 6 weeks, 8 weeks. It was 8 weeks the first one. I came out of another crochet, and the next day I went right back into one. So that's the reason why I look like I just never came out of it, because I literally took down my hair in one day, and the next day I washed, deep conditioned, did all those things, and then went right back into another crochet for 6 weeks. And I mentioned in a previous video that I clean my scalp with apple cider vinegar once a week with some cotton balls. So that's how I keep my hair clean, because that is a long time to go without actually cleansing your hair. So that's what I do. And apple cider vinegar actually promotes a healthy scalp, and that's for any nationality. So it's just not for us Afro American women. Apple cider vinegar is good for everyone's hair. It helps balance the pH levels in your scalp. It actually help any type of dandruff or anything like that. Just go look it up. Apple cider vinegar rinses. And I put a little lavender, I put peppermint, and I put rosemary in it, and that's how I cleanse my scalp. But today is an unboxing, so I'm just talking while I'm unboxing. This came this morning, and you know, so I apologize if I'm like fair. If you know by now, I like discounts, right? I like to get things at a decent price. I don't want to feel like I got taken advantage of when it comes to the price tag. There are some here. Her. um, I paid full price for her for my birthday. So I'm still celebrating my birthday. Today is July 20th. You may not see this until August sometime. I'm just putting out a lot of content. I'm gonna spread it over time. So you might see this in August and you might see this in July. I don't know. So let's see what I got. And it's in the title. And it's also in the title that I got this at a deep discount. I've been watching this bag for a while, and I think on regular price, this was like $2.49 if I'm not mistaken. Well, of course, when companies are trying to move inventory to make room for new inventory, they're going to always, and I always try to leave a gift message for myself. I won't read it to everyone. I have a little Coach bag up here that I am putting all of my messages to myself. Give me one moment. I'm gonna reach up here and get it. So here's my little Coach bag with all my messages that I'm just reaching here and get and read sometime. And I'm gonna put this back up here. Okay. Okay, today I had just have on a little halter top dress. That's what I wore to work, and I had some slip-in shoes. And if for some reason I needed to um, see some people, I have a blazer, a linen blazer at the office I put on when I have like sundresses or t-shirts and things that I want to cover up and look more professional. But today is hot. I'm in the South. If you do not know that based off my accent, I am from the South. I did, however, live in the Midwest for a lot of years. That's where I met my husband. That's where I had my children. And it was his idea to come back to the South to raise our children. Just a little bit about me. And is this the Evelyn in denim? And it is the small. The large would have been too big for me. And yes, I am listening to jazz. So I kind of come in here, relax at the end of my day, and cut on jazz. I do my content. Sometimes I just sit here, Sometimes I sit on my little peak sofa and just watch some YouTube. Just depends. But right here, I'm listening to jazz. And like I mentioned before, I will probably stay in here until about 11 and unwind. And let's take a look at her before I really just get to take everything down. Let's see how she look on me. I don't know. Let me move this plastic. Let's take some of the paper out. I want to see if it has a slouch. And these are still available on the site as of today. And they are $2.19. I think I mentioned that already. So if you're thinking about getting this bag, now will be a good time. They probably will sell out and you won't get a chance to get it. It has the basic stuff in here. There's no zip. It's just two little slip pockets. And let's get the oh, that's the chain. And I'm not a chain person. I don't like the chain, the hardware to be chained. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this bag or not. She's squishy. I like crossbody bags, but I do have. I'm looking at my collection here, and I do have a few shoulder bags. So I don't know. Let's look. And I'm not trying not to show everyone the bags that I have not did an unboxing or unbagging. So I got this one, but I like the drop on it. And I think I stayed in this for a minute. And if you want to see this video on this bag, it is from last year. It is a Dooney and Burke, I think like a hobo style suede bag. Um, she has been treated. I did spray her with apple guard, but I have some shoulder bags. What I don't really like is that this doesn't have a further enough drop. See, it's too close to under my arm. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't like to be the type of person that sends stuff back. But this is I got a lot more wiggle room. Um, with that bag. Now, I don't know if I've already showed everyone this, but I did do an unboxing for this Chelsea. So this is a Chelsea 30 in the clay suede, and but I just like the style of this bag. It's simple, but it's so cute. And I had to go ahead and get the Empire Empire. I have a company I work with called Empower, so I'm saying that word all day long. So they're so close together. It's called Empower, the company I work with, I do business with, and then this is the Empower Empire 21. So I get tongue tied with this, but Yeah, I did go with two of the clay suede because for some reason they dropped these so low. Only Coach can get away with selling suede in the summertime. I did keep um, floppy on here, and I need to treat this with apple guard, but I do have it just sitting up here on top of my display cabinet. So this is a shoulder bag, and I like the way it fit. I like the way the drop. It's not directly under my arm, like I don't like this one. No, I don't want it. I took all the wrappings. I took all of the wrappings off, so I don't have my microphone on anymore. So I'm probably sounding a little distant, and I apologize. It is telling me that it needs to be charged, so I will charge it tonight. I'm not keeping it that way. I'm not, because I have other bags on their way. But she's a pretty bag. She really is, and yep. It's a shame. I'm not keeping her. I'm sending her back. I just don't like it. This is giving normal bags versus her. And I wish I would have got this in a 36. Actually. So this is supposed to be about the Evelyn, and I made this about the Chelsea. So I don't know if I'm gonna get into the Chelsea my next move. I am still in my bleaker. Right now I'm still in my bleaker. And I'm using, I just have the little fuzzy ball. I still have my charm, and I have a horseshoe. And I'm using the bleaker little zip bag as my wallet. That's what I'm doing. And I'm pretty full in here. She's pretty full. And I like her. And I'm carrying her on the last notch, so she's more shoulder. So I can't go from this bleaker being more, sleek and modern to this style of bag, this Evelyn. I just, and I wanted to like the bag. That's why I ordered it. I see everybody's reviews, and they say how they like the bag. Okay, I'm gonna like it, and I tell them I'm gonna send it back. So that is it. Sometimes we just don't. I gave it a chance, and hopefully someone else will enjoy this bag and really appreciate it. It's a beautiful bag. It's just not a good fit for me. So until the next video, I will talk to everyone later. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, tell